got our first order on our Etsy shop, and today I'm going to make the order. First, I'm going to put in this rainbow glitter, and not a lot. And next, I'm going to put in my UV resin. And there. We got all our glitter in the UV resin, and now we're gonna mix it around. These UV resin stuff can make very fast in our UV light. And there, now we are done mixing. Now we are going to pour it in the circle. And make sure it doesn't overflow or drip. And we're gonna add a little more here. And then we are done. There. And now we are gonna put it in the UV light. So here's the UV light where we put our letters in. We're gonna put the mold in too. And then we're gonna wait. Like a little oven, and overuse the time. UV light, and I'm going to be turning. There. Now we have it took off. If you have a mom and dad, just ask them to help you, or if you know how to do this, you could do it by yourself. Now I'm done picking it out, and now you're gonna put the transfer tape. And so you're gonna peel off this part of the transfer tape so you could put it on, and we're gonna put it on. Super hard to get. Got it transferred to the plate, and then I'm gonna place it on, then you have to let it come off the transfer tape. And it's done. So the roots don't get off. And you're gonna spread it with it. Put some up there. All here. Gonna make that there. Now we are gonna put this on top of it. There. We are done with our pop socket.
Beautiful, Soraya.
Go on our Etsy shop down below and get all kinds of stuff, like a badger, a pop socket, and a keychains. There are all kinds of stuff. There's lots of stuff you could get on our Etsy shop.